There's something almost primal about the way we chase after strength, isn't there? The way we push our bodies to the limit, seeking that elusive six-pack, that firm, chiseled abdomen that seems to be the holy grail of fitness. I mean, who doesn't want to look in the mirror and see a body that reflects discipline and hard work? But let's talk about the abdominal roller, that simple yet deceptively challenging piece of equipment that promises to transform our midsection. It's like a tiny, unassuming wheel that holds the potential for so much more than just a workout. You kneel down, gripping the handles, and there's this moment of anticipation, a flicker of doubt. Can I really do this? It looks easy enough when you see someone else gliding effortlessly across the floor, but when it's your turn, it's a different story. You push forward, and suddenly, your core engages in a way you didn't know was possible. It's like your abs are screaming, "What have you done to us?" The burn is immediate, a fiery reminder that you're alive, that you're pushing boundaries. But it's not just about the physical challenge. It's about the mental game, too. Each rollout is a test of willpower. You can feel your body wanting to give in, to collapse, to stop the madness. But there's something empowering about fighting through that resistance, about proving to yourself that you can go further, that you can endure. It's a dance between strength and vulnerability, a reminder that growth doesn't come from comfort. And then there's the satisfaction that follows. After a few sets, when you finally pull that roller back towards you, there's a sense of accomplishment that washes over you. You've faced the challenge head-on. And even if your abs are shaking, even if you're gasping for breath, there's a quiet pride in knowing that you've pushed through. You're not just building muscle, you're building character. But let's be real, the journey to firm abdominal muscles isn't just about the roller. It's about consistency, about showing up day after day, even when the results seem slow to manifest. It's about the discipline to eat right, to rest, to recover. It's a holistic approach, a lifestyle choice. The abdominal roller is just one piece of the puzzle, a tool in the arsenal of self-improvement. So, as I roll out again, feeling that familiar burn, I remind myself that every rep counts. Each roll is a step closer to my goal, a testament to my commitment. And in that moment, I realize it's not just about the abs. It's about the journey, the growth, the relentless pursuit of becoming the best version of myself.